Want to fix GIF Notes option not showing on Messenger? In this video, I will guide you on how you can get the GIF Notes option on Messenger. The first thing you want to do is launch open Play Store. Now tap on the search bar and here you want to search Messenger. Then, if you find the option of update, select that and update the app to the latest version. After that, launch open Messenger and check if you are getting the GIF Notes option. If you're still not getting it, then launch open Settings. Now select Apps. Then find Messenger. Now select Storage, then select Clear Cache. After that, head back and tap on Force Stop, then tap on OK. Once that is done, restart your device. Tap on the Restart option. After your phone restarts, launch open Messenger, log into your account. Now tap on the Notes icon over here. And as you can see, the GIF Notes option is easily available over here. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.